Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make chicken francaise recipe. It's an international recipe made by an Italian guy lives in United States and it made like the French way. It's easy, delicious and fast to prepare. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's start with our ingredients. I have here 2 chickens fillet cut from the middle like butterfly wing. We also need 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, half cup of white flour, half cup of chicken stock, 2 eggs, some butter, some chopped fresh parsley, olive oil, juice of half lemon, 1 chopped garlic cloves, salt and pepper, and finally this recipe originally used a white wine. Today I'm gonna replace it with a juice of green apple and 1 small spoon of white vinegar. I'm gonna use here apple vinegar, natural apple vinegar, but you can use a white vinegar. Put a small spoon over the juice, mix it up, and that's it. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and see how to prepare chicken francaise. First, add some salt and pepper over the 2 eggs that we have. Mix it up, then add some chopped fresh parsley and add the Parmesan cheese. Mix all together. And now let's prepare our chicken fillet. Cover the fillet with a sealing film, then smash it a little bit. Put the fillet in the flour, cover it up with the flour. Take it out, then put it on the eggs. Then in a frying pan over medium heat, put around 1 or 2 spoons of olive oil and some butter. Wait until the butter melted, then add the chicken in it. Leave it for 5 minutes, then flip it over to the other side and leave it for another 5 minutes. After it's done, take it out on a hot plate and leave it aside. In the same pan, put the apple juice with the vinegar, chicken stock, the garlic, the lemon juice, and the rest of the parsley that we have, and finally some butter. Leave it until it starts boiling. Then add the chicken in it. Cook the chicken on it for around 3 minutes each side and take it out. And this is all for our chicken francaise. You can eat it with rice or alone, with bread, or any way you like. Today I'm gonna eat it with toast steamed potato. And if you like to know how to make it, I'm gonna leave you the link below this video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.